Eat24, the food delivery app. Hello again and welcome. I'm Chris McGee along with James Woody and Byron Scott, and this is the Jack in the Box halftime report. Let's get you to the first half highlights out at Staples Center. 20 games into the regular season, Kobe Bryant finally back on the hardwood. First quarter, Kobe's first time handling the ball. Bryant with a pass down low. Robert Sacre for the easy deuce. A dime for Kobe and early going. Lakers down 11, James. Here's Wesley Johnson with the steal out to Kobe.
I like the defense. Kobe, unselfish play to Blake, back to Johnson.
Still in the first, Byron. Lakers down 9. Here's Kobe with the ball again.
Doing what he does best. Just get by people and create opportunities for other players. Great pass to Pau Gasol for the lead.
At the 5-minute mark, Bryant would go to the bench. So the second quarter we go. Lakers down 9. Kobe still getting his magic on. Again, to Gasol for the 2. Lakers back within 7. And then James, here's Kobe's first field goal. It's a left-handed bank.
And you know what? This reminded me of like Larry Bird used to shoot this shot with the left. Little pump fake, drive left, pretty good D, and then the left off the glass. Nice shot by DeMarco.
And then Byron, vintage Kobe right here with the mid-range game.
Well, this is where he's going to be best. When he can catch him with a live dribble and face you up, use that jab step for that jump shot, knock it down right in your face. That is vintage Kobe Bryant.
Final seconds of the second quarter, a little isolation for Kobe Bryant. Staples Center crowd on their feet. Kobe's going to get the shot blocked. Kind of fall to the floor, but he is fine as he headed into the locker room. The Lakers cut into that deficit as they trail here at halftime by a score of 51-47. Kobe Bryant with 5 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists. Also 3 turnovers. Nick Young, Xavier Henry doing it off the bench with 9 points apiece. Amir Johnson have to find a way to slow him down. 23 points on 10 of 13 shooting. Time to go to break. It's halftime. Lakers trail by 4. Kobe Bryant with the hockey assist on this beautiful fast break. Wes Johnson finishes with a flush.
Lakers basketball is brought to you by Jack in the Box. Satisfy your late night cravings at Jack in the Box with Jack's Munchy Meals. Available after 9 p.m. at participating restaurants.
This December, remember, true artistry is measured by a passion for bold design and advanced technology. At the Lexus December to Remember sales event, with some of our best offers of the year on our most luxurious models. Lease the 2014 ES350 for $339 a month for 27 months, and we'll make your first month's payment. See your Lexus dealer.
Gives away a brand new luxury car every week. Get in on the action, and you may be driving home in a brand new set of wheels. Rondo, good times. The Volkswagen Sign and Drive sales event is back, which means it's never been easier to get a new 2014 Jetta. It gets an impressive 34 highway MPG and comes with no charge scheduled maintenance. And right now you can drive one home for practically just your signature. Sign, then drive. Get zero do-it signing, 0 down, 0 deposit, and 0 first month's payment on any new 2014 Volkswagen. Hurry, this offer ends January 2nd. Visit VWDealer.com today.
In one of their biggest cases, the FBI went after corrupt politicians and got help from the last people they expected.
I want you to teach me everything you know.
In days like you ever laid in years. The director of Silver Linings Playbook and The Fighter. Witness the greatest hustle.
Congressmen, senators. We're going to go after all of them.
In history.
And Eric Sheik.
How do you know the Sheik? This is my friend Al from Queens. I do aluminum siding and roofing. American Hustle. Rated R. December 20th.
And welcome back to the Jack in the Box. Halftime report 51-47. Amir Johnson, 23 points, 6 rebounds, 2 blocks, leading the way for the Raptors. James, let's look at Kobe Bryant, 5 points, 4 rebounds, and 3 assists. This is Kobe in the first quarter getting it done early with the ball.
Well, so far, so good. Didn't like that shot. I mean, you expect a little rust coming back, but, you know, the effort is there, good defense there. He is getting into the lane, and that's where he's been able to get his 3 assists because the defense is collapsing on him, and he's able to dish off for easy buckets. So that is a good thing for Kobe. I'm sure he'll try to correct the 3 turnovers. But other than that, first half, pretty decent. Well, I thought in the second quarter he went back to being Kobe. You know, he got to his mid-post game. He was able to knock down the jumper.
That was a
And I
large
think we all have to understand right now,
in those.
he's getting a little bit more comfortable and a little bit more confidence each and every time he goes up and down the floor. But still, you got to be patient. You know, it's going to take him a little while. His legs are still not up under him. It's going to take him a while to get into basketball shape, or game shape, I should say. Practice is totally different than the game. So all these things right now that he's doing, I thought he looked pretty good. You know, for the first time being on the basketball court in 8 months, his movement was